Hello everyone, welcome to Skill Studio. In today's session, we learn hands-on part of valuation class. In valuation class, we will see account category reference, valuation class and material type account category reference. So let's start. Now let's understand what is account category reference in SAP MM. Account category reference is a link between material type and valuation class. In simple terms, it decides which valuation class are allowed for a particular material type. For example, for a raw material, only specific valuation class like 3000 are allowed. You cannot assign any random valuation class. So, account category reference acts as a control mechanism. It ensures correct and consistent accounting configuration. So first, account category reference. Our first configuration is account category reference. T code is OMSK and path is SPRO. SAP reference IMG and material management and valuation and account assignment. So valuation and account assignment and account determination, define valuation class. Define valuation class. First, choose account category reference. Account category reference. Click on new entries. Here, AREF means account category reference. So, I am going to define VMART account category reference. So, VARF. VARF. Description VARF. Account category reference. Account category reference. Okay. Enter and save. Data was saved. Next, valuation class. Click on new entries and define valuation class. I'm going to define VMART valuation class. So VMVC and AREF means account category reference. Our account category reference is VACR. I think VACR. And description VMCR valuation class. save. Enter and save. Next, material type, account category reference. Here, click on position. Our material type is, click on position. Material type, our material type is DROH. And we have created the material type DROH in the material master configuration using T code OMS2. Here AREF, our account category reference, we remove 0001 and enter the name the we have defined in account category reference. So here we put VACR and enter save. Under Bhumi test here. Now again update quantity value update with using T code OMS2. Here click on position, material type DROH. Just select DROH and double click on quantity value updating. Here position, click on position, again click on position and valuation area. Our valuation area is VMPP. Valuation area means plant. So our plant is VMPP. And material type DROH and enter. Okay. Update VMPP DROH quantity update and value updating. If not checked, please check. And save. Under Bhumi test here. Now let's understand the difference between OMS2 versus OMSK. OMS2 is used to assign account category reference to material type. It controls the material classification for valuation purpose. Remember, one material type can have only one account category reference. And what is OMSK? So OMSK is used to assign valuation to account category reference. It controls accounting determination in SAP. Here, one account category reference can have multiple valuation class. If we see the complete flow, material type goes to account category reference through OMS2, then account category reference goes to valuation class through OMSK, and finally OBYC determines the GL account. So in short, OMS2 controls material classification and OMSK control automatic GL posting. So today's session ends here. Next we learn about number range. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.